Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to manage roles using ASP.NET Web API and AngularJS identity. First, create a project. Before proceeding, make sure that you have watched my login and sign up videos. First, download Angular local storage.min.js from this CDN link. After that, I have already downloaded this Angular local storage. After that, create auth interceptor service. So this is also required for automatically set the bearer token for every request. So here you can see we are setting this authorization authorization data with config header, and in the auth factory service we are injecting local storage service. Here are four methods. One is save registration. Save registration means while user is going to sign up, this function will be called login. When user login, then this function get called with login data, and after success we are setting the authorization data to store the bearer token in a local machine. There is a logout. When user clicks on logout button, then local storage service dot remove, we are removing the token data from our machine. This is not a part of this video. This also not field auth data not part of this video. Logout is also not, and save registration also not, and login nothing is important this video. Only login, okay, sorry, only login is important because we are setting our attribute authorized attribute in our role management controller. So first create a controller called ASP.NET roles controller. ASP.NET roles controller. Is creating the role. So after that, add this line, this reference using I have already using Microsoft.asp.identity and Microsoft.asp.identity.framework. After that, using model, using your application name, project name, in my case sign up dot models. Then for private application db context equals to new application db context. Create a method called for getting all the information, all the user roles, sorry, only roles for then create another function for creating role, public result post string role name role store application user context identity role role store for role manager role manager identity role plus the role store result to role manager dot create async new identity role pass the name equals to this name return okay we can await it asynchronous using system dot threading dot task okay so create role action method done so now delete role so public async task http action result just copying this thing. Bar role delete async return okay so controller is ready now create the JS file JS file will be var manage role app angular dot module I'm going to inject this run this interceptor service, push this interceptor service. So manage role app dot config ht and also injecting within the local storage model. Auth app. Here you can see the auth app. So this is the auth app. Create a controller. Scope manage role service. Now I'm going to create the factory. $HTTP var manage role app factory let's do this return dot get all rows goes to function for creating role, new role name, return. Delete role, $HTML or delete to deleting any role. Okay, this factory is now ready. Now create the controller properly. Scope.init, custom function, scope.getAll, manage role service dot get all roles dot then scope dot roles equals to response. Data. If failed, then call function alert failed. Okay. Call this scope.init. After that, create function for creating a role. Manage role service dot create role, passing the scope.role name. Then function on reject delete role, manage role service, delete role, ID. So pass this ID to the factory for deleting roles. Delete role ID, but then trying or that. Call this scope.reach. Okay, so pretty simple. Here we are injecting local storage auth app and then config to inject and to intercept this intercept service. After that we created and injected the manage role service to the controller, and then create a init function. Here is a create role function, delete role function. Now we are going to create the HTML. Role. I have already created, I shall explain. So here you can see I added this bootstrap and jQuery in our form, and then I injected this, I added this Angular app to our HTML. After that added the controller. Here is the table we have added. In t head we added this name, role name, users, that is not required, users, and we repeated the all users whatever we getting from the server, and looping to every roles. So here role.name, that is this role.name for every role. Delete role, we are creating the button delete role and passing this is the delete role function, and passing the role.id. okay, here is the delete role. And after getting this, whenever user clicks on this button, click, this delete role function will be called, and this function is actually get calls to the factory method here is the factory method delete role. So this function will be called and posted to the server. And the create role, so here is the button for create role, anchor btn primary, data toggle equals to modal, and data target is to my add modal. So it is the bootstrap model. So my add modal, when user clicks on this button, it will open the model, this model, my add model. So what is the model? Where is the model? Here is the bootstrap model. So my add model is the ID of the model. In model, it is one form, only one field, that is name, means role name, and model name is the role name. Okay, so this is the another button, add role. So when user clicks on add role, create role, it will call this create role function, and here is the role name, ng model equals to role name. So it will scope dot role name, that contains the role name, and this function get and whenever user clicks on this button, this function gets called create role. After that, this function calls the manage role service dot create role. Here is the create role, and pass the scope dot role name. Here it is this name passes to the new role name, and this post to the server. So now run this. Error. So I'm at present there is no role. So it finished the loading. You can see nothing is present. So I'm adding the role admin. So add role, failed to create, method not allowed. Okay. So create, I just add this name equal to this, and instead of comma, add plus. Refresh again. Add role. It is created the admin role. So refresh. There you can see admin role has been created. So we add this. After creating, we can also call this function to automatically refresh the page. So add role, restaurant users. Okay, see, this role also get created. Now if I want to delete this, delete it. So automatically getting refreshed. Now it is not restricted to admin. So what I am going to do, if I refresh this and open this to the new window, open the link in new window, we can see we can still able to see in our any other form. So we have to restrict by setting the authorize attribute equals to false, true. So we are setting the authorize in our controller. guys. So now run. Now if I refresh, it is showing that authorization has been denied for this request. Now if I want to if I refresh this, we still able to view this data because our application is authenticated using our bearer token. So thank you for listening. If you not yet subscribe my channel, you can subscribe. Take care. Bye.